In the fading light of day, a fearless royal steps out, determined and resolute. The mysterious summons brings news of a monstrous beast wreaking havoc. The dragon's wrath threatens to engulf the kingdom in chaos and despair. A spark of defiance ignites within her, a resolve to confront the unseen terror. The kingdom unites behind their princess, a beacon of hope in the face of danger. A moment of revelation dawns as she uncovers the key to the dragon's salvation. A bond forms between unlikely allies, bridging the gap between fear and loyalty. A transformation unfolds, turning a once-feared beast into a steadfast guardian of the realm. Princess Poppy's legend spreads far and wide, a tale of courage and compassion triumphing over adversity.